Now, in all three of these cases, net debt did not change, so there is no cash flow generation. So we must explain the leverage effect with gearing. We have already proven that value creation can be broken into the unlevered return and the leverage effect that have these equations here. And we have suggested that the leverage effect can be broken into cash flow generation and gearing. What we don't know is the gearing equation. But we could solve for it because we know the leverage effect, and we could assume that cash flow generation is equal to minus the change in net debt. Rearranging this formula suggests that gearing is equal to the change in the equity ratio times the average enterprise valuation plus the change in net debt. And do you know what? It is. Even though we're using a plug and backing into the value, this will give you the right answer every time. However, there's a better way to do it. It turns out that gearing is equal to the change in the enterprise valuation times the average holding period debt ratio. Now you might be thinking, how is this possible? Those expressions aren't even remotely close to one another. But you can actually prove it here with algebra, assuming you have about 4 sheets of paper and 2 hours to kill. This proves that they are the same thing.